You don't have to call him Mr. Mister. The whole world calls him Hank. Don't be scared. Just say yes. And we'd kind of like this to be an annual thing. And we're headed to meet another YouTuber.
I knew that when you were coming, I heard them terrible before.
There you go. I'm hoping that Bogey Biker Nation will show up in force too. And that damn motorcycle. Would you call that a simulcast?
I don't care where you from. If you like to ride motorcycles, you like to ride nice highways, hey, just come out and join us.
Yeah, honey, I'm the Bogey Biker. And you know I'm here to stay. We're getting the ditch of death fixed today. Morning folks, welcome back. It's a few days later and one haircut later. After we repaired the ditch of death, I'll show it to you, but I don't know if you can see that sunrise. The GoPro does a pretty good job of showing you what it actually looks like, but it's on fire. So yeah, giving this road base a few days to settle before I took my motorcycle across it. It'll be fine, but what we really need is rain. We need rain and more road base and more cowbell. So yeah, I just brought in one load where we could get those culverts in there. But this whole thing needs to be reshaped, and because there's a lot of washout. But it'll probably carry about 3 times the amount of water through here that it was. So we just need rain. We haven't really gotten rain to speak of since this whole thing washed out this spring. So here you go, you can kind of see. We added that. And that, these two were already here. So we added the 2 concrete culverts, 30 inches, in addition to the original 24 inches that were there. So anyway, we're gonna take Smokey across the ditch of death this morning. And we're headed to meet another YouTuber to talk about a collaboration, if you will, that I'm excited about, and I hope you'll be excited about, because hopefully the result is we get to meet a lot of you. So yeah, let's get on the road. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. We're headed up to Waxahachie, Texas. Sounds just like it's spelled. Waxahachie, I guess. Go. Beautiful morning.
Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm. You took the sunshine, the flames are gone now, but I watched you walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust. Your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Gone now, you're chasing the wind, no longer my man.
Kelly B. I'm good. How are you? Been here long?
I got here about 9:30.
Okay.
I knew that when you was coming. I heard them tell before.
There you go.
I'm good, man. I had to put a hoodie on too, man. It was cool.
It's getting warm now.
Yeah. So how you liking the South, man?
Man, I love it. I'll
Yeah,
tell you, I
they
put
some
it
great
on.
seats, man.
I put it on like the week before we went to Sturgis.
Yeah.
But I bought it used, 'cause, you know.
Hey, it's still in good shape.
And man, it looks brand new. But I swear
Yeah.
he must have broken it in because that's so. I haven't had a pain since we rode it to Sturgis, and that was like the first trip I went on it. I really like that that honeycomb deal there. Is that a new design for them?
Yeah, that's
The
the new
honeycomb?
design.
Yeah. Good stuff.
I love the thing, but you're talking about fourth gear, you do 120, fifth gear, 120.
Right.
You go over 120
Yeah.
with the governor.
Yeah.
But good looking bikes there.
Appreciate it, man.
appreciate it.
Y'all
Yeah.
take it easy.
Yes, sir.
There is a bunch. There must be some bike event going on that we don't. All right, I am here with the one and only Kelly B. Gladden. Kelly,
Hey, how y'all
good
doing?
to see you today.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Pleasure.
Kelly and I have come together to talk about a group ride we want to do together. You know, we watch all these YouTube motorcycle channels, and we love all the guys in the east and the southeast and northeast and even out west. And there's not a whole lot of Texas YouTubers,
Yeah, exactly.
motorcycle YouTubers, and so we wanted to get together and do a group ride together down to the Twisted Sisters.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we're looking at the ride being on that damn motorcycle. We're looking at November the 9th. That's a Saturday. Meeting down at the Twisted Sisters and doing a ride. We will ride down Friday afternoon, evening down to Kerrville. We're gonna have more details to come. We'll probably do a couple of live shows.
Right.
But we wanted to get the date out there of Saturday, November 9th. Again, we'll ride down on Friday the 8th. We'll ride the Twisted Sisters. We'll have some group things and some other announcements coming about the ride. But we wanted to get the dates out to you. We hope that a lot of you can join our Run to the Sisters, I guess. Is that what we're going to call it?
A ride to the sisters,
Ride to
or
the
something,
Sisters.
or whatever.
Yeah, we'll come out with an official name. So if you got any suggestions on official name, put it down in the comments. And we'd kind of like this to be an annual thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, and just grow the Texas YouTube motorcycle community, but not just Texas. We want people coming from out of state as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I don't care where you're from. If you like to ride motorcycles, you like to ride nice highways, hey, just come out and join us. I think it'll be an awesome ride. You seen the last ride we did. It was just an awesome ride. Bogey and his crew came out. It was just awesome, y'all. So I think this is gonna be a good thing. It might be a little chilly, but get your heated gear. We're gonna still ride, but if it rains, we might cancel because we don't want any injuries or nobody going down in the Twisted Sisters because it is a curvy road.
Yeah.
But we looking forward to going down and having an awesome ride and get Texas on the map with different rides. So that's what I'm looking forward to doing.
Yeah,
man.
that's right. So I appreciate it. We just had a wonderful breakfast. I rode up from where I live, and Kelly B rode down from where he lives, and we just had a great time, fun, and fellowship. And I love meeting new friends like Kelly.
Yeah.
We'll be friends forever, and we if it wasn't for motorcycles,
we wouldn't have
met. So we hope that we meet a lot of you on this ride. Like I said, there'll be more details to come, but save the date in your calendar, Saturday, November the 9th, the Twisted Sisters. Are you ready?
Yeah.
before I get out of here, I wanted to show you Kelly B's new Saddlemen seat. You've seen my Saddlemen seat here, but man, this new, what do you call this?
This is the
KB?
honeycomb.
The
It's the step up
so
honeycomb.
it's a Saddlemen step up honeycomb.
The honeycomb designs, yeah. And it's so comfortable, y'all.
Yeah.
It's so comfortable, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie to you. If you need a good seat, y'all make sure y'all go reach out to Saddlemen. My dude Buster over there. I got 3 Saddlemen seats. I had 4, but I got 3, and Saddlemen is awesome seats, awesome company, and I really want to appreciate them for sending this seat over, man.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
And I really like, I had not seen the honeycomb before until I saw him put this on in one of his latest videos, but man, beautiful seat. And he did let me sit on it, and it's comfortable, I gotta say. And those T-bars with the riser and the, what do you?
Hey, I see
Yeah.
Bogey getting
Yeah, it
some
just-
of this all in this and thrashing setup, man.
It just cost me a lot of money, I think. But man, Kong sure looks good in person. Man, ride safe.
Yeah, true, man. Be safe out there.
Enjoyed it. Man, that was an enjoyable morning. It's been really great getting to know Kelly B, and gotten a lot of subscribers from his channel, and I appreciate all of you as well. We're gonna have some fun here coming up, and I hope you can join us. Don't be scared. Just say yes.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Okay, that was another great day on the motorcycle. Thanks to Kelly B Gliding for meeting me. And like we said, the dates, there's gonna be more details to come, but the dates are basically November, ride down on November 8th. We're gonna ride the sisters on November 9th. And you can either go home that evening, or I'll probably ride home Sunday, November the 10th. So more details to come. We're gonna have a live show. We're gonna try to broadcast it on both channels simultaneously.
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Would you call that a simulcast? I don't know. I'm getting over my head there. But yeah, we'll have more details to come about hotel, meeting place. Based on that fellowship ride, I know that the Kelly B Gliding viewers are gonna show up in force, and I'm hoping that Bogey Biker Nation will show up in force too, and we'll just have a big old time. So anyway, more details to come. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. You get enough? You don't have to call him Mr. Mister. The whole world calls him Hank. Yeah, honey, I'm the Bogey Biker. And you know I'm here to stay.